Lizzie, do you have a name for your volcano? Okay, so tell me what the name is and maybe we can sound it out and spell it. RIDDLEE? Okay, so let's start with the first letter. R. How to do the R? Okay. So what's the next letter you hear? I. So that could be an I. Yeah, so I. Short I sound. And then what's the D sound? Yep, and what's another D sound? Mm-hmm. And what's the sound? Yep. And what's the E sound? So hold it. It could be a I, it could be an E, or it could be a Y. So which one do you want to use? Okay, so put another E. So it'll be a long E. Okay. So that's the name of your volcano? RIDDLEE. That nails it, huh? Uh-huh. I like it. You're welcome. You gonna show your dad?
Dad, look what I made.
Ooh, what's that?
It's a volcano and there's a rainbow up and this is
Oh, okay.
and I named it and it's
RIDDLEE. Okay. Very cool. It's a nice volcano.
yeah.
All right. Say thank you to